Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make baba ganoush at home. First, let's prepare our star ingredient, the eggplant. Choose one large eggplant, weighing around 1.5 pounds for a rich, smoky flavor. Before roasting, pierce the skin several times with a fork. This helps steam escape and prevents any unexpected pops in the oven. Roast it until it's incredibly soft and the skin is beautifully charred, which usually takes about 45 minutes at 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Once your eggplant is perfectly roasted and cooled, carefully scoop out all that tender, smoky flesh into a mixing bowl, leaving the charred skin behind. Now, it's time to build the creamy base of our baba ganoush. Add 2 generous tablespoons of creamy tahini, 1 finely minced garlic clove for a punch of flavor, and the juice from 1 fresh lemon. Season with about 1/2 teaspoon of salt and a 1/4 teaspoon of freshly ground black pepper. Now for the fun part, blending. You can achieve your desired texture by either mashing the ingredients with a fork for a rustic, chunky baba ganoush, or by using a food processor for a super smooth and creamy dip. Once blended, give it a taste. This is your chance to adjust the flavors, perhaps a little more lemon juice for brightness or a pinch more salt. Finally, stir in 1 to 2 tablespoons of good quality olive oil for a luxurious finish. Your homemade baba ganoush is almost ready to enjoy. Spoon the creamy dip into a beautiful serving bowl and create a lovely swirl on top with the back of a spoon. This not only looks appealing, but also creates a perfect little well for a final drizzle. Finish with a generous pour of extra virgin olive oil, a sprinkle of fresh chopped parsley, and a dash of paprika for a vibrant presentation and an extra layer of flavor. Serve with warm pita bread or fresh vegetables.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.